right, we're starting off with 6 pounds of marinara sauce in our crock pot. Now I'm coming in with my heavy whipping cream and we're gonna drizzle that right in our crock pot on top of our marinara sauce. We are making a delicious and super easy potluck dinner that everyone will love. Now this is a quart of heavy cream and we're gonna use half of this. I'm just eyeballing it because I can just kind of check and feel once it's been half emptied. Beautiful. Now we're gonna add some minced garlic. I'm just using garlic because that's what I like, and I'm just gonna add about a tablespoon to 2 tablespoons of garlic in there, but you can use fresh if you prefer. To season this, we're gonna start off with our Italian seasoning, and we're gonna season this very generously because this is gonna be a big portion to share with your entire family. We got grandma, grandpa, mom, dad, all the cousins coming over, and we need to make sure that they are fed. Now we have some onion powder that we're gonna add to this, but you can season this however you like. We're kind of just keeping it more Italian with that marinara and the Italian seasoning, so nothing crazy that we're adding into this.
There's a lot of onion powder.
Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. And then I have some crushed red pepper. Got a little bit of marinara on there, but that, that doesn't hurt anything. And we are gonna add a good amount of this because we want some nice heat. Everyone in my family loves a little bit of heat in our dinner, but you can skip this if you don't like the heat. And then it wouldn't be a Justine dinner without more garlic. So we're gonna do some garlic powder. And remember, this is 6 pounds of marinara. So I'm not over seasoning this. If anything, I'm under seasoning it. But you can get already seasoned marinara if that's what you prefer. All right. Before we move on, I'm gonna grab my big spoon and we're gonna mix this all together. The heavy cream, the seasonings, the marinara. We wanna make sure that it is well blended in our crock pot. Now I'm using an 8-quart crock pot because you need a big crock pot for this meal, but you can easily cut this recipe in half and make this for like a family of 4. This is gonna feed about 8 people, which is what we need. Yum. Oh my gosh, that marinara smells so good. And I just got that huge can from Smart and Final. I absolutely love Smart and Final because I'm always feeding a crowd and they have the best portions for that.
Ooh, it
all
looks
right.
creamy.
Yeah, it looks super creamy. It's gonna be delicious. Now I have 4 large chicken breasts, and this is about 3.5 to 4 pounds of chicken, and we are gonna submerge our chicken right into that sauce. Oh my goodness.
So
it looks so good. My mouth is watering. It's kind of like a homemade sauce, but we're making it the easy way. All right. Get the last one in there. Beautiful. Now that those are submerged, we can get this cooking. I'm gonna put my lid on and we're gonna pop this on low so that it'll be ready just in time for dinner. All right, it's been 5 hours on low, but if you want to cook this quicker, you could do it 3 hours on high. But let's check this out. Oh my gosh, it smells incredible. But we're not done yet. We are going to pull that chicken out so that we can shred it. And it's been cooking low and slow, so it should shred so easy. Oh my goodness, it smells amazing, right, babe?
Oh my goodness, look at that. It looks so delicious.
Oh, you can just tell that the juices are just going right into that chicken.
There's one more in there, right?
Yeah. Got a little lost in all that delicious sauce. All right, let's see how easy this is gonna be with our 2 forks. Oh, yeah, all right, let's do super quick.
It's like butter.
All right, we got that all nice and shredded. Got a new spoon here. We can slowly put our chicken in there so that our sauce does not splash on us. Cannot wait to get this in my belly, but we're not done yet. Just a quick little mix. And then we're gonna add our cheese ravioli. And this is frozen, okay? Don't worry, it'll all fit. Give it a good mix. Make sure it's well combined with that chicken and that sauce. This is gonna be one of the best crock pot dinners for a large crowd. All right. right, now we gotta let that ravioli cook. So we're gonna put that lid on. We still have it on low, and this is gonna go for another 30 minutes. All right, we're gonna pop this on warm so it can stay warm while everyone serves themselves, but this is ready. Oh my goodness. Oh, I cannot wait. One of the best crockpot dinners there is, perfect for a potluck large crowd. Oh, that looks incredible.
Looks good.
Get some more of that sauce and just douse it. It's almost like a soupy sauce. All right, and I'm gonna put a little bit of parsley on there because I like parsley. You don't have to do it if you don't like it. Oh, we gotta try that chicken first because that chicken is a winner.
Is it good?
That is insane. So flavorful, so tender. You guys gotta try this.